Okay, skill bite here. And the wiper blade's falling apart. Figures. Alright, and just be warned that when you do take them out, they may want to fall apart. There we go. So if you turn it, okay. Hook them like so. All right, get them hooked there. Be warned. If you bend that up, this will come apart. Anyway, the trick to getting these off, see this clip right here? What you gotta do is push that direction. Now this is gonna normally be like here. I'll show you this direction. So this clip, you gotta push that clip towards the blade section. Same time, you're gonna need to use a screwdriver or something to pry this away from here, because it's gonna be really stuck on. There's your grooves inside, and they line up with the grooves here. Put it on, you do the opposite. You just line it up with how you want the blade. And then you'll just shove it on, and the clip actually will, on its own, be out of the way. But it's a real bugger getting it out, especially if it's not been off in a while. But there is how the spring and everything attaches. All right. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment. Good luck with yours.